And then to create a new project from scratch, head to the right-hand side and click on New Project. Then I'll click on Video Project. Now we've arrived to the main interface you'll see while using Descript. On Name Your Creation, let's add something like Medics Media Demo Video. Then you can upload a file. Additionally, you can paste a video link from YouTube, record directly within Descript, and you have a couple other options here as well. For most use cases, you'll probably upload a file. I'll click on this here, and I have a pre-existing demo video that I want to upload. I'll double click on this to upload it, and it'll be added to Descript. Descript is now transcribing our video file, and you'll see this pop-up appear. Our demo video is called descriptdemovideo.mp4. It recognizes that there's one speaker in the video, which is me. Then Descript wants to assign a speaker name to that person. I'll click on speaker name, and then we can type a name. I'll type my own name, which is Caleb, and then I can add Caleb as a speaker. I'll click on this. Then once I'm done, I'll click on Done. We'll let Descript finish transcribing the video. Now on the left-hand side, our transcription is complete. As you can see, Descript has assigned Caleb as the speaker for this scene, and we can now begin editing. Now that our transcription is done, it may feel intimidating on where you want to start. The easiest way to understand how Descript works is by understanding two fundamental principles. The first is the transcript video editor. This works the same way that Google Docs or Microsoft Word would work. You can highlight text in your video and delete it to make a cut. Then on the left-hand side, you have your scenes. Here you can see that we have one scene, and this works similarly to a software like Microsoft PowerPoint or even Google Slides.